Let's be real. You've seen those viral miracle photos of turmeric Kojic acid soap, right? Flawless skin in 2 weeks, dark spots gone overnight. Sounds amazing, but is it real? I've been using it for months, and yes, it works. But not overnight, not even in 2 weeks. The results are realistic, not instant. So today, I'm breaking down exactly what happens week by week, what you'll really see, how long it takes, and how to make it work faster. Let's start with the truth behind the process. Your skin renews itself about every 28 days. That's one cell turnover cycle. Dark spots sit in multiple layers of your skin, so they need several cycles to fade. Kojic acid slows down pigment production, and turmeric's curcumin helps calm inflammation and fade existing spots. But it takes time, usually 8 to 12 weeks. So if you're in week 2 thinking, it's not working, trust me, it is. You just can't see it yet. The foundation phase. You'll feel smoother skin and maybe a subtle glow. The actives are starting to work beneath the surface. Don't expect visible fading yet. Weeks 3 to 4. Early progress. Your skin starts looking more even. Dark spots may soften slightly. This is your first full skin cycle. Stay consistent. This is where many people quit too early. Weeks 6 to 8. Visible results. Now you'll start seeing real change. Dark spots look lighter, your overall tone brightens, and friends start noticing. This is where progress finally shows. Weeks 10 to 12. Transformation zone. By now, major improvement. Dark spots visibly fade, your tone evens out, and your before and after photos tell the full story. Week 16 and beyond. Maintenance. Your skin hits its best glow. From here, use it 2 to 3 times weekly to maintain your results. And always wear SPF. Results vary by skin type and consistency. Mild spots, 4 to 6 weeks. Moderate, 8-10 weeks. Deep melasma, 12 to 16 weeks. Use the soap twice daily, leave it on 2 to 3 minutes, rinse gently, and wear SPF 30+ daily. No sunscreen, nausea, no progress. If you're patient and consistent, this soap will transform your skin. Not instantly, but beautifully over time. Take weekly photos. You'll be shocked at the difference by week 12. Like this video if you're tired of fake promises, and subscribe for real, honest skincare results. Because clear skin isn't a miracle, it's a routine that works.